Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the ultimate solution for optimizing your vehicle's performance and efficiency. In this video, I'll unveil the world's top 5 best cleaners for catalytic converters, guaranteed to keep your engine purring smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned car aficionado or a newcomer to the world of automotive care, this guide has something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive in and revolutionize your driving experience. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner Fuel Additive. Enhance your vehicle's performance with ease using this powerful solution. Engineered to optimize fuel systems and maintain catalytic efficiency, this additive is a must-have for any car enthusiast. Before you consider replacing your catalytic converter, give this product a try to potentially save on costly repairs. Its innovative formula acts as a shield, protecting your catalytic system from harmful oil and reducing phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet. Plus, with the promise of increased fuel economy, it's a universal fit for all engines, ensuring savings while keeping your ride running smoothly. Don't settle for anything less than the best cleaner for your catalytic converter. Choose Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner Fuel Additive today. Number 2. Catalytic 120019, the original liquid science. Engineered to perfection, this EPA-approved formula offers unparalleled performance in cleansing your engine, fuel, and exhaust systems. With its innovative design, using Catalytic is a breeze. Just pop, pour, and go every 3 months to maintain optimal engine health. Crafted in the original long-nose bottle, it's capless gas tank compatible for added convenience. Worried about altering fuel composition? Fear not. Catalytic is safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, ensuring thorough cleaning without compromising performance. Experience the restoration of catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads with Catalytic, your go-to solution for pristine engine maintenance. Trust Catalytic as your best cleaner for catalytic converter, and revel in a smoother, more efficient drive. Number 3. Autoprofi OxyCat, your ultimate solution for catalytic converter maintenance. Crafted to perfection in Germany and now available in North America, OxyCat is the pinnacle of automotive care. This powerful cleaner is your go-to for ensuring peak performance and longevity of your petrol or diesel vehicle's exhaust system. With its innovative formula, OxyCat effectively cleans not just the catalytic converter but the entire exhaust system with regular use, promising optimal efficiency and reduced emissions. Engineered to activate precisely when your catalytic converter hits its necessary temperature, it's a hassle-free addition to your maintenance routine. Trusted by professionals and TÜV certified, OxyCat is the best cleaner for catalytic converters, offering unparalleled safety and effectiveness in one remarkable product. Keep your vehicle running smoothly and environmentally friendly with Autoprofi OxyCat. Number 4. ClearLover Auto Parts Engine Boost-Up Cleaner, the ultimate solution for maximizing your vehicle's performance and minimizing emissions. With its convenient portable size, simply add 1 bottle every time you refuel, worry-free from leaks or evaporation. Experience smoother starts, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions as it cleans valves, injectors, and other vital components from carbon deposits and varnish. Not just limited to catalytic converters, this powerful cleaner tackles exhaust system issues while rejuvenating oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads. Judge its effectiveness after several bottles, tailored to your car's mileage, with a money-back guarantee if unsatisfied. ClearLover Auto Parts Engine Boost-Up Cleaner is your go-to choice for the best catalytic converter cleaner, ensuring optimal engine performance with every drive. Number 5. Rislone Cat Complete Fuel, Exhaust, an emission system cleaner, your go-to solution for optimizing engine performance and extending the lifespan of your vehicle's vital systems. Designed to cater to a variety of vehicles, including gasoline, ethanol, and hybrids, this powerhouse cleaner not only boosts power and mileage but also saves on costly fuel system and emission control repairs. Its innovative formula diligently clears out carbon buildup, ensuring your engine runs smoothly mile after mile. Worried about warranty issues? Fear not, as Rislone Cat Cleaner is crafted to be safe for use on vehicles with oxygen sensors and catalytic converters, surpassing EPA compliance standards. From fuel-injected to turbocharged engines, it works wonders on all, reducing harmful emissions and maximizing fuel efficiency. Say goodbye to CEL lights and hello to a cleaner, more efficient ride with Rislone Cat Cleaner, the best cleaner for catalytic converters. In conclusion, finding the best cleaner for your catalytic converter can greatly improve your vehicle's performance and longevity. Whether you opt for chemical cleaners or DIY solutions, remember to follow manufacturer instructions for optimal results. Regular maintenance is key to preserving your catalytic converter and ensuring a smooth driving experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updated videos on automotive care. Drive safe.